How to manage autocomplete searches and URLs on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage autocomplete searches and URLs on Google Chrome mobile. First thing you're going to do is go to Google Chrome and click these three points here on the top corner and then click settings, and now click this one, Google services, and now you will find this one here, autocomplete searches and URLs. Just click on it if you want to turn it off, and just another click if you want to turn it on. It's easy, of course, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.